Hi guys! So in this video, I will teach you how to make your Pinterest account public. So in order to do that, you just need to listen to me because I will guide you on every process and guide steps that it will take in order to do this. So without further ado, let's go! So what we need to do is to just make sure that you have Pinterest installed on your phone or your iOS or your Android. It doesn't matter because it works on both devices. So what you need to do is to just click on this Pinterest right here that you have installed, and then of course log into your account. And then after you log in on your account, then what you can do is to just click on this person icon right here on the bottom. So let's click on that. And once we're in there, we can see our profile. So what you need to do is to just click on this saved right here. And as you scroll, you can see that this is all the saved pins or boards that I have. So what you need to do is to just click on your save pin. So as you can see, this board right now is locked. Then that just means that it is private. So let's make it public. So let's click on that board. Click on this three dots up here. And then click on this edit board right here. And once you're in there, you can see this visibility right here and keep this board secret. Then that just means that this board is secret or private. So let's toggle this off in order to make this public. And as you can see, this is the prompt that make your board public. So let's click this make visible. Then after that, just click on done right here. And your board should be able to be available to public. As you can see, the padlock button has also disappeared, and that's the whole process. Hopefully this video helped you to make your Pinterest account public. So if you have questions or comments, just comment down below and we'll hear them out. If you love this kind of contents, follow for more.